Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share Instagram comment on story. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you make sure that your Instagram is up to date. Once your Instagram is up to date, you simply need to open Instagram and log in into your account. So here you can see different comments. So let's suppose I want to add this onto my story. You simply need to hold that for a while and here you can see the first option, add to story. Click on that and now you can see that this comment is now showing on my story and you can change color of it by clicking on that multiple times like this. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.